good news is, whatever happens, we won't get stuck.
This is the last of it, yeah. I mean, you slide right off of there.
He's gonna slide off of there, yeah. This looks so nuts.
He's got probably 4 or 5 inches on this side. What do you think? A little more driver?
All right, are you watching his side panel?
I'm watching his driver wheel, but I can switch up to side panel if that's better.
Yeah, don't watch the wheels, watch the paint.
Okay.
He gets near the paint, stop him.
He's got about 8 inches to the paint.
Okay, keep going straight, man. All right, a little bit. Yeah, he's coming down. Perfect, man. If anything, you could go a little past with it. A little bit. Yep, you might have to roll it. Yeah! Wait. You got this huge rock you're just shoving. Need something to get it out of there. It's gonna shove you into the wall if you try to move. Backwards? If you could back up, I could pull it and you'll be fine. You're so close, but I can't get it out.
You step a little bit away, I'll give it a little bit more beans.
Got it. Okay, now you should be able to roll forward without sliding around.
Your
Real
back end's
slow.
good. Front end's good.
Hey, straighten up, straighten up. Straighten up. Nice and easy, buddy.
May kiss, you got all your travel on the suspension. Every last bit.
What are we on? Bumper?
We're on the bumper back here.
Give her a wiggle with the tire. There it is. Man, I thought we were going to be doing that all day.